Ever since medicine has progressed so much, tech has progressed so much, but not the quality of our sound environment. Here is a quick example. When you hear a cardiac monitor, it's a note of C. A high-pitched bedfall alarm is a F sharp. They beep together, and together it's a diminished fifths. In music theory, we call this a tritone. And this particular combination of notes in medieval time was called devil in music because people thought it was so unsettling. It was actually banned by churches to play this combination of tones. And this could be what we are hearing in hospitals today. Why does it have to be this way? Right? Thank you.